Hello, my name is SACHIN GAONKAR, branch of first year CST. Startup company is Multi-Gear Dynamics, product name is CAR, and the product proposal name is Phantom Royce. Here, empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and the feeling about the product as shared by the customers during the empathizing activity. It is capable of traveling on any kinds of terrain, and it should be reliable and affordable, and contain a self-healing point on body. Here defined based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and the requirements of customers. Many new features are added to the existing product. The existing product name is car, and the futuristic product name is Phantom Royce. I did some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here: automatic accident detection, automatic obstacle detection, hybrid engine, solar power. And here are the prototype. In the prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to time constraint. The monitor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Thank you.